Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Off to a lower start this morning across the board. Corn, beans, and wheat are all trading lower. One of the main things we're kind of keeping our eye on is that trucker strike down in Brazil. It's talked about that the truckers that are still participating in the strike, as we discussed yesterday, it's pretty unorganized right now, but the ones that are still participating are going to the Capitol to try and talk about lowering the diesel tax and then also a fixed transportation fee as well. So if they're heading to the Capitol, they're probably not blocking any roads, so that's really pressured soybean prices this morning. So it really seems like this is kind of dying down, and hopefully we won't have to talk about it much longer and they'll get this all wrapped up. Sticking with the South America theme, Argentina has had a pretty big rain hit their area for quite a little bit of time right now, and it's delaying their harvest. So we'll have to see how that pans out. It is raising some quality concerns. The forecast does call for some decent weather, pretty conducive for getting the harvest done down there. But we'll have to see if there are any quality issues coming out due to all the rain they've had down there recently. And one last thing I want to touch on this morning is May beans are around 10.02 here at the morning pause. So we'll have to see if we get any buying interest from China if we get down to the sub $10 level. So that's something we'll be keeping our eye on. We've seen some lower export inspections. It'll be interesting to see what export sales come out tomorrow morning. But seems like everything's kind of shifting down to South America right now. Haven't really seen a whole lot of interest in the United States, so it'll be interesting if we can get below 10 bucks, if we'll see some of that demand peak back up, and it could give beans a little kick in the pants. So we'll have to wait and see what that does. But that's just a few of the things we're keeping our eye on this morning. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels trading broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.